If you find it difficult to study and want to make it more interesting, here are some tips to help you out. First, try to understand the logic behind the concept you're studying. Next, create a big picture by connecting all the related concepts together. Instead of studying just for exams, focus on gaining knowledge and understanding. Imagine yourself teaching the topic to someone else. This will help you clarify your understanding. When revising, imagine teaching the topic to someone else or actually teach it to a friend. Watch related YouTube videos to gain a different perspective and make studying more engaging. Instead of sticking to theory books, practice with past papers and revision kits to apply your knowledge. Organize your study area and study notes to create a conducive learning environment. Remember, you don't need to study all the time. Take breaks and do things that make you happy,